In 1928, the Republican Party chose Herbert Hoover as its candidate for president. His party promised to give Americans a chicken in every pot and a car in every backyard. Hoover was elected, but within 8 months after he took office, the country entered the Great Depression. Many Americans did not have chickens or cars, nor, in many cases, jobs or bread. Many people blamed Hoover. Some asked the federal government for help, but Hoover believed that major government intervention would only make conditions worse. Hoover stuck by his beliefs in limited government, but they cost him the next election. Hoover's way of thinking was discredited by the end of his term.